guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is basically an extension of a previous video, which if you haven't seen, then click the link right here and just see then what an epilator is, what it does, what it does not do, why you should buy it or not, what is my recommendation, everything about an epilator would be in the video, so click it. So for today's video, I would be telling you the do's and don'ts of the epilators. You should buy it or not, and I'll be also giving a mini demonstration on the epilator. If you like it, then you can see that's what it is. So yes, if you are interested in the video, then make sure you give me a subscribe, a like, a comment, and also share the video with your friends. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, first things first, I'm not gonna do everything or whatever I would be saying. I'm not gonna do everything, like every step. I'm just gonna give you a demonstration and just telling you what you should do first. Okay, so whenever you start epilating, whenever you start taking off your hair with the help of an epilator, then first thing which you should definitely do is clean your skin. Clean whatever part you want to exfoliate, epilate. Okay, so clean that part, then dry damp your skin. You got me, just with a towel, just damp the skin. Don't push it so hard. Okay, don't fight with the skin, just softly dampen your skin. Then exfoliate the skin. Yes, number 3 is exfoliate your skin. Yeah, because exfoliation, as I mentioned in my previous video also, exfoliation takes off the undergrowth. Yeah, but there is one problem with the epilator, that it leaves some undergrown hair. So whenever you do this exfoliation thing, then that undergrowth comes out, and it would be much smooth. Try using the epilator in the night. So if you break out, then the night will heal the body. Yes, so if you break out, then you sleep. When you sleep, the body mostly heals. This type of breakouts really heal themselves. So try using it in the night, especially if you have sensitive skin. Okay, then epilate at the night. Next, whenever you epilate, try to stretch. Basically stretch your body like this. Stretch so that this portion becomes stiff and the hair gets off easily. Well, I'm just saying this for the ease of procedure. It's not any type of recommendation that you should do it, but just if you have low pain threshold and you will do it, then you won't feel that much pain. So yes, you can do this like same as you do in the waxing. We just pull it, pull the skin, stretch your skin hard. That is same you have to do in the epilator. Next, whenever you epilate, you try to do in the opposite direction of the grow hair. Like if your hair are grown like this, then epilate in this direction, so the hair comes out from the roots easily. Next, you have to be really slow and steady with it. Just don't go like this and that, and don't try to be very fast in the beginning. Like gradually you will have the habit of it and you can do it anyway, but in the beginning try being slow and steady like this. Last but not the least, whenever you are done with the epilation, just try to apply a moisturizer or any thickener, serum or oil on the skin, so that it's not itchy. After epilation, sometimes the skin feels itchy, dry, because first you have exfoliated, you have washed, or you have taken a warm bath or something like that. Then skin may feel itchy. So for pacifying, making it soft and supple, just apply a moisturizer or oil, preferably oil. People say applying a moisturizer, but I really prefer oil, especially the combination of olive oil and coconut oil. It works so good for my skin. It makes the skin soft, supple, and there is no bulges, no itching on the skin. So these are the do's of the epilation. Now I'm just gonna move to the don'ts of the epilation, so what you should not be doing when you are epilating. Now about the don'ts, I don't have much don'ts, but there are just 1 or 2 don'ts. That first, you should not be using it on the moisturized skin. It's not that if you moisturize your skin, then the hair won't come off. No, it's not like that, but it will come off very nicely I mean, you won't feel anything. But one thing that will happen, the tweezers will somehow lose their sharpness. This I have like noticed with time. I used to do it with moisturizer, but the tweezers somehow, like, you know, they lose their sharpness. So this is what happens when you use your like moisturizer with your epilator. So don't do that, okay? Number second, don't use an epilator on like overgrown hair, like hair which is more than 1.5 mm. They recommend don't use it over 1 mm hair, but 1.5 is the max. If you are, your grown hair is like 1.5 mm, okay, you can go with the epilator, but over that you cannot go. Okay, now let me just quickly give you a demonstration. I would be using my hand for my arm for the reference. I'm out of battery also, so as I told you, I just use it as such. So I attach this head, the exfoliator or the epilator head. I'm gonna turn it on. Okay, it also comes with this light. Basically, I didn't tell you in the previous video, it comes with this light so that whenever you start epilating, you can see the hair much better. So this is how you do it. Just start. So I usually use it on speed number 2. You can see the difference between the speed. Because speed was very like slow. So guys, this is it with the demonstration part. Just for a look, this is the portion which has like no hair on it, and this is the like portion with hair, and there is like no hair, no ingrown hair, like which usually people complain of. I don't have such like thing with it. Yes, with the legs I have that thing, but in the arms you don't feel like that. And this is done so efficiently and so marvelously. That is why I love an epilator. You can use it anywhere, anytime, especially whenever you are on trips. Oh my god, we know that waxing hair even comes off like within 2 or 3 days. So that is why I totally recommend doing epilation. This was a small video and was an extension of another video. If you want to know more about epilation, I have talked in depth about the epilation procedure. Not procedure, about the epilation. What should you buy? You should buy it or not. In my previous video, don't forget to watch that video, so you should understand this video more beautifully, more better. So with that saying, let's just end the video. So guys, this is it with the video. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you would be notified every single time I post a video. Also like the video and comment down on the video anything you like. Bye bye.